Hi there, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this Unfair Advantage app. You're looking for an Unfair Advantage app review, or maybe you're just doing your research. You've seen it and you think, is this for me? Can I make it work? Can I make any money with this? So I am going to do that. I'm going to go fully into that review in a second, but if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, then please take a second and just hit that subscribe button below. Also remember to just tick on the bell icon, so that anytime I do release new videos, you will be the first to be notified. And I'm doing that regularly. Anything I find out I think is worth a review, any tips, any tricks, anything I think potentially is going to help you with your marketing, then I'm going to put a video out there. So make sure you don't miss out on that and hit that subscribe button below. Also, if at any point you want to get access to my free 4-part affiliate marketing video course that will teach you the basics of affiliate marketing, teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, then all you need to do is just, I'll leave a link below this video. Just click on that link. You get completely free access to that 4-part video course. Okay, so let's get started. Unfair Advantage app. So this is the site. So they're talking about somehow they found a loophole inside a $200 billion company. So basically they're talking about YouTube. Yes, but you don't know that from this page. You have to dig very, very deep. But I've done the digging for you. So it pays us $50 a day passively. Here's how you can duplicate it. And they go through how easy it is. So it's the quickest results you've ever gotten. No one else is doing this. 100% unique. All traffic is 100% free. Again, when I see things like that, guaranteed, it just starts to set off alarm bells in my head. Because these are the sort of things I used to be so attracted to. That now when I see these things, I think, well, because it's not that easy. Setup done in 20 minutes. And then they say how easy it is. This girl, 12 years old, supposedly put their system in, and in 3 days she had $50. So it just goes through. There's some supposedly testimonials from people who are already very, very big marketers. These aren't small marketers here that are talking about this system. So, you go through it. Basically, again, easy, free traffic. Click on your link, make tons of money. The missing piece. Blah, blah, blah. And then there's a video would hit the owner and the girl here, the daughter of the other promoter, who's showing you how she made it in 3 hours or whatever. But at no point do they actually tell you where you're going to be getting this free traffic from. Nowhere on this site. So they're kind of just selling you loads and loads of sizzle, but they're not actually giving you anything concrete. Again, very newbie friendly, kind of targeted to people who don't know a lot about this industry, and they just see these incomes and think, okay, $50 a day, not bad. I can make $50 a day passively, doing no work, getting free traffic, blah, blah, blah. Very, very easy. Yeah. But then you got to dig a bit deeper to find out where are they getting this free traffic and where are they getting these, this sales. So what it is, in essence, it's a course. It's a piece of software that they let you use. They give you video templates for it, and they give you some training on it. But it's a piece of software they're calling viral video software. Now, what it does, in essence, right, it lets you spy on other people's videos. So you find videos supposedly that are going viral, that have loads of links in whatever niche you want. It'll tell you what their tags are, what their keywords are, and all this sort of stuff. So basically, nothing new. Actually, vidIQ does all of that for you. All the things that they're talking about, it does it for you. And it's a better piece of software anyway. Yeah. But anyway, just say you do go along with this, and then you find a keyword, say weight loss. You want to go for weight loss, and then you can use one of their templates. You find a product on Amazon. This is the other thing they're saying is brand new, that if somebody goes to Amazon and they click on Amazon, but they don't buy, but they go via a link, then for the next 24 hours, you're cookied to Amazon. So if the person goes to Amazon via your link, but they don't buy, but then they go back again and they buy something else within 24 hours, you do get a commission. Yeah. So this is what they're selling it on as well. That, okay, even if they do go to Amazon, then they go back within 24 hours and they buy a massive TV, there you go. You're going to get your commission to it. Yeah. So again, another selling point, but you're not even, unless you know how to get traffic, you're not going to get people to the Amazon. Most people that do Amazon selling, or any sort of affiliate market selling, they know how to drive traffic, either paid or free. They know how to drive traffic. So they're saying they've conquered the traffic for you, because you'll get these keywords, you'll find videos that are ranking, and then you'll put up a video around what you've learned, yeah, around the keywords that you've learned that are ranking, around the tags, around all of that. And then they'll let you use their templates. And this is one of their templates. I'm just showing you this. This is one of their templates. Have a look at this. I mean, I'm going to zoom through it because this is just not great. You know, you might get the odd sale off this, but this person here, right? Okay, they've had 24 views to this thing here. Yeah, this is a template that they let you use. But then when you dig deeper now, even deeper, you find out that they've got a channel. This person that says his 12-year-old child done it has got a channel. His channel has been up for 3 years and he has 177 subscribers. So this isn't a newbie that done it in 3 days and made $50. That's not the case. Do you know, they've got videos up here that have been up here. Okay, this is 1 week, this is 2 weeks, but the whole channel's been going for 3 years. So it's not new. They didn't just put it up 3 days ago and made $50. This person's been going for a little while and they're getting sort of, look at the sort of views they're getting on this. This is the biggest one. This one's 11 views. This one's 22 views. You're not going to get tons and tons of sales. They make the odd sell here and there, and then they say how easy it is to do it. I'm not saying video marketing doesn't work. Of course it works. That's why myself, I'm on YouTube. Video marketing works, but it's a process you've got to learn. This piece of viral software that they're talking about here is just the same as vidIQ. And then you're going to have to learn to put your own videos up. And then you're going to have to learn to rank your own videos, because this sort of stuff is not going to rank. I don't believe it's going to rank. Or it's going to rank for these types of really, really small keywords that aren't going to get you traffic. You might get the odd sale here and there. I'm not saying you're not going to get the odd sale, but whether you're going to make $50 per day regularly, I very much doubt it. Do you know what I mean? But, you know, I'm happy to be proven wrong. People always say to me, you know, I'm the Warrior Plus product slayer, because you know, these products just basically, they sell you on loads of sizzle, how easy it is, but they never really give you the substance. And then, you know, you find out that a lot of the people that they're saying done it in a day have been going for 3 years and things like that. Do you know? Anyway, look, it's a cheap product. It's $17 on the front end, so you can have a look at it. You know, it does have upsells, because really that's where they make their money on this sort of stuff. I'll go through the upsells quickly. The OTO1, you get 20 software searches, so you can use this software, viral software search, for 20 more. That's $37. OTO2 is a copy us. It's a case study with that 12-year-old girl, how she done it, $37. OTO3 is a done for you, where they do it for you, is $97. OTO4 is a professional version, $37. And OTO5 is they call it guaranteed career, but basically it's coaching with the owners, and that's $197. Do you know? So it's up to you. Like I said, it's cheap on the front end, $17. You can't really go wrong with that. For me, this is probably not something that I personally would use. If you're going to learn YouTube marketing, you can sell anything with YouTube marketing, but you got to learn how to do it properly. You got to learn how to rank properly. You got to learn how to rank for certain keywords properly. Do you know? So that's my 10 pence on it. Do you know what I mean? It's up to you if you want to have a look at it. It's called Unfair Advantage app. Do you know? So you can have a look for yourself. But if what you're really truly here to learn is how to use affiliate marketing to make some money online, then that's personally what I can help you with, because I've been doing this now for 10 years. And 10 years ago, I think I was doing okay, but then I would fall for this sort of stuff, for all this kind of shiny object stuff, because we don't want to work hard. I was the same. I didn't want to work hard. Do you know what I mean? I didn't want to like put all the grind in, but I wanted to get something basically with doing no work. So I used to buy all of these things. I would be the serial shiny object buyer. Anybody tell me I could do it without doing no work, I'd be there. I'd be the first one to be buying it. And obviously it didn't work for me. In fact, it just got so confusing, because I think I tried it all. Network marketing, drop shipping, the whole lot. And I decided it was too much for me and I gave it all up, you know. But in that time, I was very lucky that I still had that gnawing thing in my head that I could make it work. And I met 2 mentors, and they taught me the basics of affiliate marketing. They taught me about traffic, turning traffic to leads and leads to sales, and doing that consistently, you know. So that's why I put together this 4-part affiliate marketing video course that will teach you to do the same, to go from where you are now to a place where you are getting traffic, to a place where you are getting leads, to a place where you are getting sales, you know. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing for yourself, then like I said earlier, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can just go down there and click on that. You get completely free access to that 4-part video affiliate marketing course. But either way, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you do have any questions, any comments at all, then please just leave it in the comments box below. Bye once again. Thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.